Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today, from Standard 7 English Medium, Unit 10, the name of the unit is The Story of Cricket, written by Ramchandra Guha. I have told you the story in English and Hindi and explained the MCQs. Now comes to the short answer questions and long answer type question. Now start with the first question, short answer type question. First, how did the cricket evolve in England? How? So answer start with here. Some 500 years ago, many stick and ball games were played in England, and cricket evolved from them. Originated from where? In England. So, some 500 years ago, stick and only use what? Ball games were played where? Played in England. So, evolved from them. Second question. When did cricket become a distinct recognizable game? When did cricket become a distinct recognizable game? Cricket became a distinct recognizable game in the 17th century. In which century? 17th century. After many years, cricket became a distinct recognizable game. In which century? In 17th century. Question number 3. What was the shape of the ball till 1715? The shape of the ball, round, circle. What was the shape of the ball? Answer is till about 1750. Year 1750. The cricket bats were almost the same as hockey bats. Almost the same as the hockey stick. Hockey stick like this. Almost the same as the hockey stick. Bats were like that. They curved outwards at the bottom. Curved the outwards at the bottom. That is the shape of the bat in 1750. Now question number 4. Why were the cricket bats so made till 1715? Why? What is the reason? What were the reasons cricket bats so made till 1715? The answer is it was the bowling. It was the bowling which decided the shape of the bat. Bowling. Fast bowling, slow bowling, medium. Because of the bowling, the shape of the bat decided. About what? About the bat. Till that time, the ball was bowled under arms. Bowled under arms along the ground. So the curved at the end of the bat gave the batsman the best chance of making contact. The curved shape of the bat connected between what? But bat and the ball by the batsman. The best chance, given the best chance to connect with the bat and the ball. Now, question number 5. When were the laws of cricket first drawn up? How were the umpires selected according to this rule? When were the laws of cricket first drawn up? And how were the umpires selected according to this rule? So, the first written laws of cricket, laws of cricket were drawn up in 1744. In which year? In 1744. 1744. About the umpires, it stated, the principals shall choose from amongst the gentlemen present 2 umpires, who shall absolutely decide all disputes. To select 2 gentlemen decided about this game, umpire. So, students, these are the short answer type question. Now comes to the long answer type question of this unit. It's only one question. What was it? What is it? What was the shape of the original cricket bat? Why? What was the shape of the original cricket bat and why? Talking about 1744, 1750, 1744. So, till the middle of the 18th century, cricket bats resembled hockey stick, like that, resembled hockey stick, curved shape, hockey stick like that. They curved outwards at the bottom, here at the bottom, curved shape. There was a simple reason for it. Why the curved shape at the bottom? It's a simple reason. Why? The ball was bowled under arms along the ground. The curved shape ball under arms along the grounds. The curved gave the batsman a better chance. This curved shape gave the batsman to get the best chance, means the better chance of making contact with the ball. Later on, when the ball was bowled in the air, the curved was given go by. This curved was given go by in the mid-air. This is how the shape of the original cricket bat was formed. Curved shape in the middle of the 18th century. So, students, these are the short question answer and long question answers I explain you. I hope you understand about it. And write this MCQ question answer, short question answer, long question answers in your notebook. Thank you.